Hello everyone, it's Julie from Camellia Crafts Designs. Welcome back to my channel. I'm here with a quick flip through of my rose junk journal that you've seen me working on recently. So here goes. I've made this muslin pouch to pop it in. I just think they look so cute, and it's tied with some seam binding. This was white seam binding and I've dyed it myself with a mixture of Tim Holtz Distress Ink and Tattered Rose and worn lipstick. It's not an even colour. I didn't want an even colour. I just love it. So, and there's plenty of it, so you can use that in the journal to make more things or embellish the ephemera that's already there. Oh, we've got this hiding underneath. Now, I did make far too much ephemera for this journal, so not everything you saw me make on camera has gone in it, but I did want to pop that in. I'll just pop that in the pouch as a little extra. So that's that. You can see you've got one of my little dangles I made with the lollipop stick on the front and a little bronze rose charm. So here goes. We've got more of that lovely seam binding around the journal. I've got a little charm here. It's just, yeah, it is. It's decoupaged napkin over music paper. I've cut a little circle out, edge the back, and just pop this little word on that says rose, and it's just attached with a bulb pin onto that seam binding that goes around the journal. So lots of seam binding. Now, I think I did show you this when I bound it. I love how the binding looks over the lace. I love being able to see it through. I just put that crochet lace. I put it there. One, it looks pretty, and two, it will help strengthen that spine. So here we go. Page 1. Really happy that I took that printed cover page out. So now we've just got this as your first view. Really lovely. We've got that little mason jar with a rose tucked in there. This, I don't know where I got this from. It may be Graphics Fairy. I've just printed it onto some cream, I think it's about 120 GSM paper. That's one of the tags that I made with my masterboard, and the stamps from Eclectic Eggplant. Yeah, the snippet strip. I didn't make this snippet strip on camera, did I? But I did the grungier brown one. Over here we've got one of these receipts. These are from Yvonne Preston's website, My Crafty Corner. Some tea-dyed paper. That's a map page, and that's actually from the area where I live. Yeah, in Sheffield. So that's an old one, that as well. I've looked through it, and the things that aren't on it, it's wow. It's Sheffield and Rotherham, old A to Z. That's just some kit paper. We've got a postcard there from Artie Mays, a little bit of collage that you saw me do. This is an Artie Mays sheet. Couldn't tell you which kit it's from because I have it saved on my desktop because I just love it. In here we've got another tag made from the masterboard with some seam binding and twine. Another postcard, and not sure. These postcards come from a lot of kits by a lot of people, and I can't remember whose they all are. Right, we've got this. I've just attached that pocket with a paper clip and a little bead dangle. I do like to have a lot of things in my journals removable, so you could put something on the back, just gesso it slightly and journal on it. We've got another postcard, bit of collage again. That's a Tim Holtz rose, and these 3 cute little tags here, they are definitely Artie Mays. Pop that back on. Turn over, we've got this paper bag and another postcard. That's definitely an Artie Mays when I can tell the borders. Some line paper for journaling. Here's a little mason jar that I made. Again, that's clipped in with a paper clip. Nothing fancy on that other than a curl. Yep, so you can move it anywhere you like. You're probably noticing if you've watched and put this journal together that I've moved a lot of the things. I took them all out to photograph it empty and bind it, and I couldn't remember where I'd put them. Oh, I loved making these tags. This was from a napkin that was gifted to me by the lovely Deborah, who sent me a huge birthday happy mail with all sorts of goodies. And it's decoupaged over some paper from a Die Cuts with a View pad, which was music paper, again gifted to me by Deborah. The little rose charm here was a happy mail from Fiona, who is Miss Paintalot, and I've just popped that on with a black bulb pin and some little bits of lace and muslin. I didn't think that needed any more decoration, and it goes lovely with that page. Just a little bit of collage here, one of the clusters I made in my 60-minute challenge. Now here's a postcard. I made this postcard from just a piece of paper. At the time I couldn't find my plain postcards to collage on, so I just drew a line down the middle with a black pen. I did a little bit of stamping there with a Tim Holtz stamp, put a vintage stamp on, stamped that postmark with some stamps again gifted to me by Deborah, and we've just got a bit of collage. I did a bit of stenciling, and yeah, I really liked how that came out. I think I might do some more of those. You've got some little vellum stickers throughout, and the centre I've just left it. Sometimes I don't want a statement piece in centre. I think it's a welcome relief from all the other things going off in this journal. Another receipt from Yvonne Preston. Digital they are. I just made it look older. More stickers. Yet another tag from the masterboard. Another little cluster that I made in the 60-minute challenge, and again a pocket from that snippet strip. Page from a vintage book, some coffee dyed. This, I think that's a antique paper page, that one. Turn over, and we've got this. I made this again. I made a set of these little, yeah, what are they called? Mini file folders. Decorated them with Tim Holtz pieces and labels. I think those labels were from, they were either Pink Monarch Prints or World of Muchness. I do have labels from them both. And again, that's just, well, I've clipped that, that's it, move you there. Just clipped on so it can be moved. And this bag, I popped this in the bag. Oh, I loved making this again in the 60-minute challenge. We've got a tag there. There's a little tag there. Oh, I've not put anything on that. I think I'll just leave that one blank. You know, whoever buys this, you may get something on that tag if I remember, you may not. And another one there. These are digitals from, yeah, My Porch Prints. So yeah, so you can use a lot of these pieces in other projects, so use them as tags when you send gifts if you don't want them all in the journal. So it has turned into a bit of a little chunky monkey. Alright, more design paper, another little, oops. Yeah, I'll show you. That's an altered paper clip, you can pop that anywhere. This is a embossed piece of card with a little flower spray from the Tim Holtz, another Artemis postcard. You can journal on the back of that one. A lovely tea-dyed doily, some tea-dyed lined paper. So as you can see, there's plenty of space to journal. Yeah, we've got this little, yeah, side pockets. I made these following a tutorial by Tina at Shabby Dabby Doodah. We've got more Artemis postcards inside. Oh, my paper's moving. So yeah, more journaling space there. The other side of that vintage map. Where do I live? I live, no, that's wrong way. Where do I live? I live about here. I think I'm just on the other side of that map. More tea-dyed paper, a book page, another postcard. That's a Kelly's Crafts by Kelly postcard. And yeah, the final page. I think that's from a Victorian flower album this page comes from. And one more of those tags from the masterboard. And then I just popped this. This was initially going to be the cover page in this journal before I took it out. So all I've done is I've just folded that up, and you can just use it to journal on, and then tuck it back in. And I just popped, which way did I do this now? I can't remember how it went in. I just popped this altered paper clip on it. Yeah. Oh, I don't know. It was that. That's it. There we go. So you could see the flowers. There we go. And then we've got this piece that you can pop in anywhere you like. Pop it in a pocket. It's got some Tim Holtz die cut flowers and 2 pockets with postcards. Ooh, that pocket is a little bit empty at the minute. I think I meant to put one of those in each. That's better. Yeah. So I'll just pop that inside the pouch with the journal. So there we have it, my rose themed junk journal. I've absolutely loved doing this on camera. Yeah, expect more rose themed journals coming up because I've got far too much ephemera. Anyway, there it is. So this is going to go up in my, it will probably be up in my Etsy shop when you see this video. That's all your bits and bobs to go with it. So thank you very much for watching, and I will see you next time. Thanks a lot. Bye.